YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Little Petty checking in with you guys with another stock market episode. Let's get right into the episode, and we're gonna go ahead and break down some stocks that I'm gonna be watching this week. The markets right now, there's been a lot of it's been crazy since the elections. The elections aren't they're not done yet or whatever, but you know, the EV sector's been going crazy. Shut down, COVID. It's a bunch of stuff going on right now. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what Lil Petty's looking at, a couple of stocks, and we're gonna break down some buy signals, and that's what this video is gonna be about. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into some of these stocks. All right, so I got a list right here. It's called the Shutdown Bullish Stocks. Now, we're just going to go through these stocks. We're going to break down these stocks. So the first one, we'll go like this. So the first one is going to be this BLKMK. Now with this stock is it's a electric vehicle charging equipment. So this stock, I got this notification from somebody on my Facebook, so I just added this into my watch list. Now with these stocks they're basically on a vertical ramp, so there's going to be pullbacks, and but the continuation can still be we could still probably get another 5-6 points out of some of these trades. So that's why I have these zones broken down. I like this one. Pull back down to 3180. I would watch this level right here and see what type of interaction we get. Now if we base out and then we continue up, then I would still like to buy right under here. So this zone right here, we'll see what happens pre-market, and we'll go ahead and base our trade off that. Etsy is another stock that's on the bullish watch list. I'm probably not going to buy this one, but this one does look good. This is another company that is bullish during the lockdown. I think this is this one is a online marketing, like an Amazon or whatever. So as you can see, since the shutdown news came out, the stock came down to this dip zone, and now it's been pushing up. So the next zone will be sellers up in here, up in this zone right here at this 150. So this stock it's bull flagging out. So you could buy the type 3 on the way breakout, or you could try to wait and try to buy this 139 level, this dip zone right here. So if you buy this dip and then you ride it up to the next zone and trail it on the way up. Now IWM, they just had an all-time high breakout, so I added this to the chart, to the watch list. With the COVID and the smaller companies, the IWM is basically, it's bullish right now, even though it doesn't make sense that it should be bullish. But the momentum is still pushing to the upside. So I do have this one charted out. I'm probably not going to trade this, but I am going to watch this because a lot of the companies that I'm trading are in the smaller cap companies. Now for the some of the another EV sector is this company LI. Now this one, we actually we traded a little bit of this. This was a good dip buy. As you can see, it broke out, and now we have another zone. So I mapped out this zone today from this candle right here. So I do kind of like a dip, but I really like a dip back down here, but I don't think it's going to come all the way down. So this one is going to be on the watch list. I'm going to set my alert right here at 43.13, and then I will set alert 43.31 to see what happens pre-market. Now if we reverse pre-market tomorrow and then we end up down here, I would like a dip buy in this zone. So I'm going to set an alert at this 37. NIO, we traded NIO today. We made some money on NIO. Now this zone right here, this is going to be where the sellers are at. So as you can see, the sellers were up here, and now the sellers the sellers today, they got taken out. So now buyers are stepping in. So what's going to happen is I would like to buy a dip down here at this 53 level, and then if it comes all the way down to 51, that would be a good dip too. Now if it breaks that level, I would stop out, and then I would like to buy it back down here at this 45 level. So that's the trade on NIO. I do expect this to gap up and continue to the upside. So some of the call options that we'll probably look at tomorrow on NIO will probably be right at the money, depending on how this plays out. If we bull flag and then we dip down in the morning and bounce, then we would look to probably buy one or two out the monies. And we will probably focus on the shorter terms. So for the swing trade, you could come out here and maybe look at the 60s on the 11 days or 18 days out. The 60s, play those. These ones ran up from $2 to $4 today, so maybe a pullback down to $3.30. Snag up those calls. And for the short term, the ones I'll probably be looking to play tomorrow will more than likely be. Go ahead and get this like this. Yeah, if we get the pullback to 53, 52, then I'll look to play like 54s or 55 calls. Now, if we base out and we stay above this level, this 55, if we gap up, then the play is going to be a different play. We would have to actually wait for a pullback. But if we get the gap and go, then, you know, we'll probably just jump right in at the money, and then we'll keep our keep our stop tight. OTSK is another stock dealing with I think the online marketing or something like that, consumer directory. So the online shopping, e-commerce, that's what it's called, e-commerce. So you got the e-commerce sector, you got the electric vehicle sector. Those are like the two hot stocks right now, the sectors right now. So we're going to put our focus on stocks that are going up. So right here, it pulled down to 50, then it bounced up to 60. Now it's testing 70. As you can see, we got our zone right here. I like a breakout and then possibly, but we're probably going to have some buyers right in this level right here. You could possibly see some buyers right there show up, or some sellers. But I think we run up to this next zone. So I do like OSTK at or below, and I have the break above that. So it's at 70. Let me check out the contracts. Pricing in a $4 move. So 68, 70, maybe up to 75s. So not the shorter term, maybe the 18 days or the 11 days. Yeah, and the volume is low on these ones. So this one's probably not the best one to trade. The volume's low on this one. I want to give you guys one more stock, MGI. I did play this one. I ended up riding it from here to here, and then I rode it up, and then I sold out, and then I didn't buy the dip again. MGI has been a cool one. This one was on one of my spec stocks to watch. Now, PDD, I'm pretty sure this is another e-commerce. Yeah, another mobile e-commerce company. So now, as you can see, this one rode up, it pulled back, and then it bounced out of this zone. It got rejected from where the sellers are at. Now it's coming back down for the dip. So I do kind of like this one. I would actually buy this one. And yeah, see, some of these contracts, there's not a lot of volume. But today was an exceptional because everybody was playing XPEV. So, but I do like this one down here, dip by 140. If not, then we're probably going to come back down here if we crack this 133 level. And then you obviously have a support right here. Right there. You have some support right there. Shopify, not really bullish this one. I'm going to skip that one. Tesla. So Tesla's been doing good. They finally got the news that we've been waiting for, the catalyst to push them up, and they're joining the S&P 500. So I'm gonna be playing Tesla tomorrow, more than likely. If we get a pullback into 500, but if we gap and go, this one I'm expecting this one to hit about 550, 560 this week. So for the Tesla trade, I'm gonna be playing the shorter term contracts right at the money, and maybe one out the money. I'm not going to probably look. I mean, I could come over here to these ones. These actually might be better to play like a 550 11 day out, so you can actually hold through and then play one of the shorter terms, maybe one or two of these for the day trade. And then you can rock, you know, this 540 550, you can rock this one out for a day or so, and hopefully we get some momentum, because Tesla stock, when this one, so we're getting close. Now this was a pre-market, so the pre-market high is 538. Now if we get above that, that's going to be that, I think that's what's going to get us up past that 550 level. All right, in the trade desk, I'm actually in this one, so I have a debit spread for a breakout this week for it to break. It's actually I think we're in the money. I have the 830 or the 835 and the 840, so we're right there. So, and I bought these ones on Friday. Down here at this 825 level. I was expecting a push up. Expecting this one to continue to the upside too. So the trade desk, I like this one. This one's bullish. All-time high breakout. We are vertical ramp, but we did get a pullback. So I do like continuation on this stock. And this one actually had a news article come out saying that up to 1,000. Yep, $1,000 from $750. Price target 1,000. So I'm gonna be watching the trade desk. This one is going to be bullish, and we have been playing this one down since this level, since 400. So I like the trade desk. I'm gonna stick with the stocks that I do good on, and this is a good one. I've never traded the naked options on this one because the spreads are so wide. But if we're gonna get that momentum to the upside, then it's not gonna matter. As you can see, these options get really choppy. That's why I kind of stay away from them. But you can see they're good day trades. 800 to 15, double up your money. All right, Twilio. I like Twilio. I'm probably gonna stay away from trading this one, but I do like this one. We're in between a zone right now, so I do like a dip buy at 290. If we get above here, then a breakout. But Twilio, man, that's why I'm on the 1 hour chart. There we go. That looks a little bit better. All right, so yeah, if I was to get in right now, my stop would be 299, 296.35. Keep it tight. Upwork's another one. This one is slowing down. The momentum right now is really towards the electric vehicle sector, but this is the bullish shutdown news stocks. So when we have shutdown news coming, these are the stocks that I'm looking to trade, because Upwork, for one, they're just bullish because of the shutdown. So Wayfair is another one. I'm probably staying away from this one. I did like the dip. Now, yeah, I think we're gonna base. I think we need to get into this zone, base out, and then we can go for 280. I think 280 is coming on this one real soon. Wayfair. Let's go ahead and look at the options. I'll put up 25. So that's tough. We could literally, I think Wayfair could be up 280 by Monday next week. Just depending on what type of information we get over the weekend, though, with the COVID and all that. So, but yeah, this one looks good. I like this one. This one looks really good. We just came down off of a low, a dip by it. It barely tagged this type 1, and then it bounced out. It tagged this at 234, and then it's ran up. Now it's kind of bull flagging out. So yeah, break above 259. That's gonna send it. I think that's gonna send it up. So I'm gonna set some alerts for a breakout, and I'll probably keep that one on the lookout. Now XLV, the energy sector, is going up. So I did chart it out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the chart looks like. We're still low. We're nowhere close to all-time highs. So this could just be, you know, just another leg up for another leg down. Now XPEV, this is the very bullish one, and we did trade this one. We made a little bit of money, but we didn't get the bulk of the run. So Fomo did kick in. I am going to be watching this one. This one is on my my watch list. On my this one we were watching today, but we did miss it. We had capital in other trades, so we missed out on that one. But yeah, overall I like this one. I think we need to get a pullback. We are overextended. This one can continue to run though, so if we're gonna get the euphoria, this thing can get sent up, you know, 80, 85, 90. It might even come up and try to clip 100 before it has some type of pullback. So I'm gonna be watching this one. Put this on the 4-hour. Gonna be watching this one. I'm gonna set an alert at 69. Actually, I'm gonna set an alert at 71. If we get below 71, I want to be alerted, because I like this one. At or below 71. So that's gonna be right there. So I want to be alerted when this stock pulls back, and then if we do tag this purple zone, I'm buying it with 3 hands on it. So this is going to be a good play. I would watch out for this stock. That's a dip down there. I like this zone right here. Boom. So yeah, we're going to be watching XPEV. And then Zoom. So Zoom, I'm not really probably going to trade this one. We do have earnings coming up. We might even sell off before earnings. So this one might be a one to watch after earnings. But if we get a run up, that would be that'll be good for Zoom. I like Zoom long term. Watch for sellers. Right up in there. And where did I find that? From this candle right here. We're taking the bodies of the candle. Boom. And as you can see, we clipped it over here. Got in here, chopped out. We bounced out. Then we came, we tagged it. We settled into the zone, and then we rejected. Then we bounced, came back to the top, sold off. Saw price action. Now let's go ahead and let's go through a few spec stocks real quick. I'm not gonna break these down. I'm just gonna look and see if I see anything I like. As you can see, I have a lot of these ones mapped out. CHX, GRWG, this one broke out. MGI, EBIX. What's going on here? Okay. Futures is back open. Okay, cool. Yes, sir. Alright, man. Well, I'm about to check out because I'm about to jump back into the futures account. So, that's it for this video, YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And little petty